Hiya, I'm Paul at One Man One Dog Berlingo Micro Camper. It's 10 AM on Saturday the 16th of February 2019. So here we've got the tracker unit. Loads of people have been asking what I'm doing with this unit and why am I building a self-build camper bed. Well, I'm going to sell the tracker unit and some guys coming for it today. So here we've got a tracker unit, and now right here we've got the bed frame. It's not fitted, it's just in here. That's screwed at the minute, so I could carry it down. Because I've added this beam, it's sat on this here. Need to cut a V out and then fit it, because I'm going to have a box in between it that touches the floor. Screw it onto the box. Right, I've fitted material on my cushions. I'm going to put the hinges on today and I'm going to fit them tomorrow. Right, that's it for today. Okay, see you tomorrow. Okay, good morning. It's Sunday the 17th of February 2019. It's 9 AM in the morning. Right, so I've just been sawing, probably annoyed all the neighbours, but I've sawn that bit over there so it sits on my lip. I'll just go around and show you now. Right, just cut a V in it there, and I only just cut it right, so it sits level now. Right, I'm going to get this sawdust up here, and if you can see, I've caught quite a bit of it, and looking at it now in the daylight, the front's quite rough. There's drips, there's all these holes, so they need tightening up. Right, I'm going to fix it in place after, so it's a bit early yet to be drilling with hammer drill. I'll wait till about dinner time, go and do some stuff inside. I'll show you the cushions. Okay, so here we have the bed boards. You might have seen these in my video where he upcycled the first bed that I made, version 1. It's now version 2. So bed boards anyway, and I've put these on. It's a bit of inner tube and it's screwed on there, and why I've done that is because I've stapled and fixed material and my foam to the board, so when my board's down I can lift it up like that. So I'll just show you the boards. Right, so this is it. It's fur. It's a fur blanket that I used to use on my settee. It's a turquoise, like a darkish turquoise colour. So that's that one. And we've got this one here, and again a band to help open it, because these are really lids. And then this one here, and it's really nice and soft, so that's what I wanted. In the version 1 camper van, I used Velboa, like a giraffe fabric, but I didn't want to use that. Right, okay, so I'm going to go back to the car now. Okay, it's 11:17 and that's a bed fitted. I've just attached it here for now. If you can see, these are self-tapping bolts, so you do a bit of a puncture hole, like a little hole with a drill, and they self-tap themselves. So that's in there like that. I'm going to attach it down there later. I'm just attaching it there for now. So these rubber straps, lift the drawers up. Portaloo's going in there. Right, these need magnets on, the magnets that hold like cupboards together to stop them rattling and keep them down. So that's the next thing, but I'll have to go screw fix and get some of them. So this is the drawer anyway, comes out like that, so you can cook outside. and then if you hold that one there, that pushes in like that. So when it goes in there like that, and also that needs a lock on it, so I imagine when I drive round it's going to be quite rattly, but yeah, that's it. Look from this angle, go in and sit on it. Yeah, it's quite firm. Okay, I'm gonna have my dinner now, so I'll catch up with you after. Okay, we sat in the car. I've built this unit here and attached it on with brackets under there, there and over there. So it's got a beam on it there, and a board's going to sit here with it, which is a bed extension. A board's going to sit on that and extend the bed that wide. So fitted foam floor tiles. They're a bit dirty, but give them a clean, we'll be okay. Right, okay, I'll get outside and show you some video. Siren's going off. So this overlaps. It's going to be cut round like that so it sits in the floor. So as you can see, it's dirty, but that'll wipe off with a damp cloth. Just a bit of dirt that's gone on it in storage. So here's the storage unit and the bed. The bed's all fixed down now from secure points. Right, I'll show you the back. Right, it's 3:20 and that's me done for the day, so I'll catch up with you tomorrow.